Hi friends. So if you've ever wanted to elevate your design skills, whether it's creating unique products for your store or designing custom packaging, or maybe you just really want to finally master Adobe Illustrator, then this is for you. So I have to tell you about my immersion journey because it's a little bit different. I have a sewing blog, obviously, and it didn't lead me actually to design fabric. Isn't that interesting? But it did lead me to design products and packaging materials for my business. It totally elevated my business because I finally felt like I understood Illustrator enough that I could get products made, that I had a whole trove of artwork now to pull from that was in digital form that I could turn into products, which was awesome. So for me, my immersion journey, it started actually in 2021, where I looked at immersion, I seriously considered it, and I hemmed and I hawed to on, and enrollment closed. I totally regretted it. Like, I should have just done it. I should have just signed up. So I had to wait a whole other year. But 2022 came around and I was like, I'm signing up. I'm doing this. Not only have I done it since 2022, I did it again in 2023 and 2024 because I love keeping my skills sharp. And this is what immersion does. So before, I kind of understood Illustrator. I would design my sewing patterns in Illustrator. It would just be frustrating though. First, Illustrator has a lot of buttons. It has a lot of possibilities. It's a very powerful tool. And I didn't even really know how to use it, even though I was designing in it. But I would leave it feeling so frustrated, like I just can't get Illustrator to do the thing that I wanted to do. Now that I've taken immersion, I actually find Illustrator easier to work in than Photoshop. I look at something like, oh, that'd be easy to do in Illustrator because I have the skills and abilities now to go in and just do it in Illustrator, and I love that. Bonnie's teaching style is friendly, clear, and approachable, as well as structured, which I love. She doesn't just teach you how to use Illustrator, but she shows you how to think like a designer, which is excellent, and it has been invaluable for me and for my business. So in immersion, here are a few things that you'll learn. You'll learn how to effectively use Adobe Illustrator. Huge. But you'll also learn how to create seamless patterns and professional designs. Ever wanted to design your own fabric? This is where you start. How to set up files correctly for production, which is so important. You want to look professional when you send your files to be printed. And it shows you strategies on how to monetize your work as well. It's not just about software. This course delves into aspects of business, like marketing and building a community around your art. Mastering Illustrator and design principles allow me to create packaging for my business that truly represents me and my brand, which I love. It also allowed me to design custom products that stand out from the crowd. So, if you're a creative entrepreneur looking to bring unique ideas to life, this is the course that you want. Okay, now it's important to note that immersion is a serious course. We're talking college level commitment course, okay? The course spans 8 weeks. It's intensive. Like I said, it's comparable to a college style course, both in content and in time investment. So you'll need a full version of Illustrator also. So not just an iPad version, but you need the full version on a desktop on a reliable computer. Also, the course requires significant time commitment. This is something that you really have to give your focus to fully engage with material and to complete all the assignments as they're given. But if you're ready to invest in yourself and your business, the payoff can be truly incredible. The skills and the confidence I gained were well worth the effort and time. And one of the delightful surprises of the course is the immersion student box. I have to tell you, this thing is beautiful and it's so fun to get in the mail. When I received mine, honestly, it felt like Christmas. So the box includes a beautifully designed gold embossed manual, and it takes you through all of the lesson courses. It's over 400 pages of content. It's organized with tabs and pockets and easy to navigate. So, but it's just not a workbook. It is a tangible companion. I just love having tactile books. I'm old school that way. It helps me learn a lot better to be able to have a book to refer to. I love how there's fun stickers and there's encouragement and there's things you can mark off to help track your progress in the course. And I love that there are these physical items that you get. So like these easy stickers, so you can keep track of the shortcuts on your keyboard. Awesome. I love that I can keep track of where I am and feel my progress as I scratch off my next section. So this is so important, I think, for success in a course, is to these things that help me feel motivated and like that tactile reminder of like, oh yeah, I need to do my immersion lesson for today. So having a physical resource, especially for me, made a huge difference. It kept me motivated and organized. I love paper. It's so nice to have. Plus the quality and attention to detail is on par with all of her designs. It's beautiful. It's top notch. Immersion is only open once a year, and when enrollment closes, you have to wait until the next year. So if you are considering it, now is the time. Do a deep dive. I've got more articles you can read on it if you want to get some more information. But I genuinely believe this course can transform the right person on their creative journey, just like it did for me, or else I wouldn't even bring it up. Bonnie, the course, and the entire immersion community will be there to support you every step of the way. As a matter of fact, there's live support throughout the 8-week span of the course. You can design products, you can design digital files, you can design seamless patterns. You can learn how to do all of this throughout the course. So if you are an artist looking to take your art into the digital realm, this course will show you how to do that. It'll also show you how to set up files properly for professional use, which is awesome. So don't make my mistake, don't hem and haw and then go, dang it. Make the commitment and find out more. You can find out more with the link below. And yes, I'm an affiliate for them because I genuinely believe in this course. It has helped my business grow and expand into different areas that I didn't even know it could, because I felt confident enough in Illustrator and in business to take a step forward. Okay. So what is holding you back? I've got links below so you can get more information. If you're waiting for the right opportunity to deepen your design skills, this is it. You can do this. And if you don't have, you can do this and you don't have to do it alone. Click the link in the description below to join Immersion before enrollment closes. I can't wait to see what you create. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them.